All right. Well, lucky last is Jinwoo Kim. I'll just hang on to that for a second. Jinwoo has been supervised in this project by Qassim, Saad, and Farren, and Brett Carey. The project's been sponsored by the Curtin HIVE and the Faculty of Humanities. And Jim will also mention the exhibition that was set up as part of the project, which was never part of the intent, but it's interesting to see how a project evolves over time. So I think at this point, I'll hand over to you.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jinwoo. I just graduated Bachelor of Computing and Software Engineering and just having a graduate ceremony this Sunday. This summer holiday, I had an internship with Curtin HIVE and School of Design and Built Environment with my supervisor, Anderson, here. So before we go into the project, it's really important to understand why we need to do this project and what's the purpose and what would be the output. So my project title would be something you will wear all the time, but you don't really care. So there's a bunch of clothing here, which is almost 6,000 kilograms here. And I just want to give you guys 5 seconds answer for how long do you think it takes to throw out this many clothes in Australia? Maybe 1 hour or 1 day? No, it's every 10 minutes in Australia, throw that much of clothes into the landfill. So Australia, statistically, the second largest consumer right next to the USA, and every year 27 kilograms people buy, and then 93% of clothes they purchase, they throw out into the landfill. So my project has been starting based on this project called State of Fashion Textile Circularity in WA, which has 33 pages. And just as a summary of this project, there's a lot of waste in WA clothes spaces, and this project is showing an overview and recommendation for this issue. So that on the project was showing on the previous slides was showing some data was collected from last year during for 10 months. And this was showing the industry was distributed by the size or circular activity of primary sourcing. So it's showing which industry is having which fiber was using like material like cotton, linen, and how they get the material from the other side. To better understanding this project, so I attend the forum, which is events with my supervisor, and this is showing the circular economy. So if you never heard about the circular economy, which is meaning a system where material never become waste and nature is regenerated. So one of the good examples was the guy who was sitting with in the same table. He was investigating how to make the material from the beer through the bacteria. That was really one of the good examples of the circular economy. So our initial plan was one of the Google Map show in the industry. We were trying to make a 3D models of the industry and to putting some video like in here and explaining where we get the material and how we recycle. So our initial partner was a Qassim. So we are planning to do 3D scanning of the warehouse Qassim in the Cannington. But however, as always, plans doesn't go well. The time frame doesn't work. So in December, everyone's busy. So we have to move on a different plan. But our supervisor, Anne, is very passionate about this project. So why don't we having our own space where we put some mannequins and then clothes and we showing to the other people? So we decided to work on having an exhibition. So there's a lot of clothes like recycling in the Qassim warehouse, which is showing on the left side. And we went there and we collected a bunch of boxes of clothes from there, so second hand, and also gathering from the staff and the students from the fashion studio. Yeah, so doing an exhibition wasn't really easy. So we have to move all the mannequins from the different building to the library. And we have to contact with the campus security because we have to move all the mannequins, 20 mannequins in the car. And also, once we move into the mannequin library, we have to put all the mannequins. That wasn't also easy because we have to unscrew, and you put the pants on and screw again, and put the tops on. And once you do, you have to adjust the lights and all the poster, you have to make it again. And once you finish it, you displayed it, and also we made a swing text so we can put it on the garments, so we can show which material was used and can we actually recycle it. And yeah, this is a finished photo. And after, of course, finish it, we have to unpack everything and bring it back. There's a lot of manual working during this project. But our HIVE internship project is not doing an exhibition. We do making it as a digitizing. So we made it this actual exhibition into the 3D models. So we're using a Ricoh 360 camera and using a Metapose software. To make this exhibition into 3D model, in the second image on here, you have to take photo in 360 camera at every step. So I think around 200 photos for exhibition. And once you make it and put it in a software called Metapose, it will luckily generate it for you. And also, if you click one of the dot points, it's showing all the information in here. So whoever doesn't attend, whoever cannot attend, they can see a virtual exhibition. And additionally, we also make each garment into the 3D model. To make garments in the 3D model, you have to take every step, which the cast was using a Luma AI with a video, but we use a camera because we want to make a high quality 3D models in the future projects. So there is a pros and cons of this project. So once you've taken like 100, 200, 300 photos for each garment, and I use 20 garments, and you put in a MetaShape, and MetaShape will process for you for 3D models. And there's something I learned through this project was if you're taking a good lights and there's no winds and good lights, you can get a better quality in here. But if I take in the outside where the winds blows and you can see there's a hole in the pants. Yeah, and also because I took with the better quality with a Canon DSLR, so even though I zoom in, I can see the clear quality of these garments, and these garments you can see on the other side there. And then once you exported that file, and then you can upload it on the Sketchfab, and where you can easily just sharing the link, so that people can easily looking around. So my final result of this project is having a virtual tour into 3D models, and also individual garment, almost 22 garments. We made it as a 3D model, so then people can having a better understanding and getting understanding of these garments. So the future plan would be having some embedded video, like where these garments coming from, and someone's explaining about these garments and how we can recycle it better. Because like me, I don't know how to recycle the garments. When I was like 5 years ago, I just throw the bins and throw my clothes on the bins, and usually people do put it in a second-hand store. So kind of education and video, we can put it on here. And yeah, that's all my project, and thank you for all my HIVE supervisors, Makerspace, Qassim, Fire Economy, especially Anne's in here, and Daniel, of course, he helped me a lot. Yeah, and also library staff as well. Yeah, thank you.